Salve, meus amigos do YouTube. Tudo bem com vocês aí, galera? Realmente eu espero que esteja. Hoje o nosso vídeo vai ser bem curtinho, tá? Dia dos Pais. Um feliz Dia dos Pais a todos vocês que são pais, são inscritos aqui no meu canal e me acompanham. Então hoje é um videozinho especial, né? E não vou me alongar muito não, tá? Eu só tô indo ali abastecer a Mega, calibrar os pneus pra gente poder ir trabalhar daqui a pouco, né, Mega? E já vou deixar uma dica: já ativem as legendas aí e já deixem a tradução automática, ou escolham o idioma de acordo de vocês aí, porque nessa homenagem que eu vou fazer ao Dia dos Pais aí, para todos vocês que são pais, tá em inglês, né? Tá em inglês. Então se vocês já puderem ativar aí a tradução, porque tem tudo a ver com o Dia dos Pais, sabe? Tem tudo a ver com pais e filhos. Mas já dei tempo para vocês ativarem aí, né? Vou me calar aí e aumentem o som.
Day came to the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away. He was talking before I knew it, and as he grew, he said, "I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you." And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little ball blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Well, my son turned 10 just the other day. Said thanks for the ball, Dad, come on, let's play. Could you teach me to throw? I said, not today, I got a lot to do. He said, that's okay, and he walked away and smiled and he said, you know, I'm gonna be like him, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like him. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue with the man on the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. And he said with a smile, what I'm feeling like, Dad, is to borrow the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when we'll get together then. You know we'll have a good time then. Moved away. I called him up just the other day. I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said I'd love to, Dad, if I could find the time. You see, my new job's a hassle and the kids are the flu, but it's sure nice talking to you, Dad. It's been sure nice talking to you. And as I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, he'd grown up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy